Well, since Jordan's still horrible at recording stuff for this thing, he finally got his drum off so he can find out what size drums he needs. So he's gonna get all new hardware. Probably should be a good idea to do brake line, and he could probably get his rear sway bar halfway on today. Other than that, he's finally got most of the fuel line set up with the regulator and whatnot. He's got to get back to the back of the tank now. Other than that, there's only a few things to do. Run a few vacuum lines, stuff like that. So he's not far off. We'll see how far he gets in a short time here. And he's already got the front sway bar hung on the car. He's just got to get the bushings to hook them to the control arms, basically. Other than that, then he's got the seat that he can work on starting to mount in. I mean, you could, well, no, the heater core lines aren't on it, or I'd say you could run some, put the coolant in and stuff. But we'll see where he is in a little bit here. Oh, I'm back. Looks like he's getting the seat mounted. Convenient. What's convenient, if anyone cares, on these chassis, these Dodge Dart seats actually going really easy. So here's originally a seat belt here, and that lines right up with the side mount. Basically, he's just making a spacer now to go there, and then that's the back is in. The front is actually even easier. They well, I can't even get to it right now, but it's just two straight bolt holes down and the seat's in. And he found life's a little easier because he already has bolt holes for a sway bar bracket mounts in the frame right here. So everything's gonna bolt right on. And then he did his brake lines. So now he's just waiting on a few parts and he'll have brakes. Because these aren't the best looking brakes in the world. Other than that, so you're gonna get that seat done. What else are you gonna do? This other seat?
Maybe you start patching the floor on that side.
Well, we'll see where you get that seat all bolted down. You still got to clean out the rest of this car, pull out the rest of the shit. It'd be a lot easier if he pulls all this shit out of the car, and then he can work on it a little easier instead of pushing stuff around.
Yeah, patch a small hole on
But I'm gonna go do a little bit and then come back and check on him here in a minute, and we'll see where
brake lines are made up.
where he ends up. Well, yeah, I said your brake lines are made up, but other things he did get done is does have a throttle cable now, kick down cable, all that good stuff. Just got to bend the pedal forward a little bit and we'll be good on that. And what's nice is the truck actually mounted right into the firewall the way it was supposed to be. So clear sailing from here, we think. We'll see. Everything wants to be a pain in the ass. So, and then we did get the power steering kind of hooked up. Just got to put some clamps on it. So looking good. As long as he keeps moving, we'll be back. Getting his floor fans done so he can get his seats in. He's actually getting somewhere on this thing, so standing around looking at it. Still being horrible about video and stuff. So we'll come back to him in a second. I'm in the process of installing coilovers and FC here. All right, we'll be back.